What's up, guys? Working on the 99 K1500 today. Doing a little bit of changing up the look a little with the paint.
My masterpiece of tape work.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to tape things off. My painting skills kind of suck. So, got Elizabeth there torn apart. Grill's taken off of it. Headlights kind of readjusted a little bit. That way it don't look like a reverse style cat eye. So, got some more things coming up too. Got another part we'll be working on shortly after we get this one painted up here. Hopefully it ends up turning out right, because no turning back at this point.
Nope.
All right. Alright guys, working on the second part of getting the painting done on the truck. Toby did his masking skills here.
Shut up.
Pretty sure it'd be hard to get it much closer, in all honesty. Next time you see it, should be completely different. Alright, Toby working on painting his wiper arms for his 99 Ford.
Don't get up close to it. Look at what it is. Oh. That's texture.
Gotta make it look aggressive since it's a Ford. It's the only way to make a jelly bean look aggressive.
Well, jelly beans are aggressive.
Getting closer on the 99 Chevy. Got the grill done. I think it looks pretty sleek looking. Don't mind the Corolla in the background.
The truck's vehicles everywhere.
Got to get another couple coats on here. Yeah, turning out pretty decent, I think. Probably next week or a few weeks later, actually. Let me know down in the comments what you think about painting the bow tie instead of black, purple. I think we're gonna probably end up doing that, a metallic purple on it. I think that'll really stick out a little bit on this truck. So I'm also adjusting my headlights so that they don't look like a reverse cat eye. And we should be getting the new lights in the grill as well today.
Oh yeah, here.
Show you what we got here. A little close up of Toby's actually. Don't mind the truck, it's dirty as can be. Salt life.
Literally, salt life. You don't need instructions.
We've done this before. Yeah.
Multi-change color light, go from white to orange to white and orange, and plus you got some strobes in there if you need to be fancy.
Exactly. So, be getting those on as well today. Should be getting that done pretty soon here. Alright. What's up, guys? Sorry it's a little dark right now, but we're just finishing up. We're going to go ahead and do the reveal of pulling off all the paper so that we can see exactly how the truck ends up looking like for the first time. We do have to still put the Z71 badge still back on it later, but that's okay. Again, in the comments, if you can, let me know if you think a purple badging for the bow tie would look good. Toby already going to town on it.
You're welcome. It's like Christmas all over again.
Except this was a much bigger chance than Christmas. Got the 04 Ranger over here with the roof light bar, thankfully. Help us out.
Never have too many lights.
And the 99 Ford with There are ridiculous amounts of lights on this truck.
There's not enough.
No, it's not done either.
No, it's not. Redneck ingenuity.
It's the only way to do it, Bubby.
Travis. Here's your main one.
Oh, it ripped.
Travis.
Oh, crap. Oh, let me get out of the light here.
Yeah, please.
I think you got my windshield.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, it's just dust. We forgot to tape off the windshield. We didn't think about that part.
We were too excited.
Hit the camera, man.
Oh. Gosh, dang it. I think you used enough tape.
Short person problems.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah. Bite me. Toby's mad taping skills, man.
I'm telling you, man.
Dave can dig it. You better watch out. No, not even. Sorry, can dig it.
Not even close.
Not even close. Wish this tape would have, I don't know, coming off just as hard as it was to put on.
Oh man, you suck.
Again, sorry about it being so dark here. Kind of got a late start on everything. Didn't think it would take quite as long as it did to get everything done, but hey, you guys are here gonna see how it looks with me. Just hoping it ends up looking good, because no going back at this point.
No. This one's done.
Oh, that sucks.
What'd you do?
It pulled the paint wrong.
Yeah, let me do it. You laid it right in the paint.
It should be dry. See what I mean? Get a close look at this one here. Again, I know it's dark, so it's a little hard to see it, but I think it's gonna look menacing, honestly. Ooh boy. Ooh boy. He'll get some touch up come few weeks from now, as soon as I get the time to do it again. I gotta redo the grill a little bit, kind of ran out of paint. For some reason, Holbrook, Arizona doesn't have anywhere that carries the paint that I needed.
You're welcome.
Get a close up on those fog lights, brother. Don't mind the red wire back there. I'm gonna run some new wire looming next week too. I'm kind of glad that bug deflector did break, in all honesty now.
Yeah, because you wouldn't be able to see the tip of it.
Well, not just that. I would have never thought to do this idea.
Will you stop looking on me?
You know, when you get too much free time and you're sitting at the laundromat just waiting for clothes to dry, and you're just staring out there at your truck,
What can I do?
you just start thinking of ideas for your truck, and it's kind of the problem with truck life. The modifying world, you just can't get away from it, in all honesty. Right when you think you're done, there's something else you end up wanting to do.
Good.
Alright, boys.
But you can't tell because it looks like a shadow.
Here it is, guys. Again, it's a little dark right now to see everything, how it came out, but...
Wait. There's that hill.
That is so yellow of a light.
It's awful. I look at your truck is yellow.
Time to sit there and upgrade the iPhone to LED. 6000K LED. Yeah, here she is. The new look on Elizabeth. I didn't get rid of the reverse cat eye style because I don't know what it is. I can't adjust these headlights correctly. If anybody in the comments can let me know on a set of headlights that don't end up doing that or that are smoked, please let me know, because that'd be greatly appreciated. Go ahead and show you how these lights work too. Just fogs. Ooh, man. Off-road light, guys. Off-road life. Got my LED light bar on now. It's not perfect by any means, but
No.
hey, for daily, looks pretty clean.
Yeah, that one spot.
Yeah, that kind of sucks, but hey, it's all good. We'll do some more touching up on it. Let me know down in the comments what you think of her now, guys.
Enjoy our light show.
Yeah, literally. Oh dear Lord, Ranger's brighter than.
Wait, hang on.
I think you have to start it for that. Gotta start it for that.
No, you don't.
Well, there it is. Yeah. Toby doesn't have a single truck that does not have way too many doggone lights, I'm telling you. That Ranger, man. Two-wheel drive life, brother.
Yeah.